Report on Social Security pension increase under state scheme. The state government has recently implemented a significant increase in pensions provided under its social security schemes, aimed at improving the financial stability and well-being of vulnerable section of society. This initiative, which benefits senior citizens, widows, and a person with disability, reflect the government's continued commitment to inclusive development and social welfare. The enhanced pension amount, which now stand at approximately 1,100 per month, is disbursed directly into beneficiaries' bank account through robust direct benefit transfer system. The primary objective of this increase is to provide safety net for individuals who are unavailable to earn a steady livelihood due to age, disability, and social circumstances. For senior citizens, the pension serves as a crucial source of income to meet essential needs such as food, healthcare, and shelter. Widows, often left without economic support after the death of their spouse, gain some measure of financial independence and dignity through this monthly assistance. Similarly, for a person whose disability, the pension helps offset the additional expenses associated with medical care, assistive device, and daily living. By channeling the pension payment through direct benefit transfer, the government ensures transparency, accountability, and efficiency in fund disbursement. The system minimizes leakages, eliminates middlemen, and guarantees that beneficiaries receive their entitlement on time. Each pension is credited directly into the beneficiary bank account, promoting financial inclusion and by encouraging the use of formal banking system among marginalized communities. The initiative also supports the broader goals of digital governments by integrating technology with welfare delivery mechanisms. The increase in pension amount marks a substantial improvement compared to a previous year, during which beneficiaries received lower monthly support that was often insufficient to meet even basic living expenses. The revised rate of 1,100 per month acknowledged the rising cost of living and need for enhanced social protecting measures in a changing economic environment. For many recipients, this increase present not just financial assistance but also recognizing of their dignity and contribution of society. In addition to direct financial support, the initiative has broader social implications. It helps reduce poverty, enhance social security, strengthen the social fabric by extending care to those most in need. Moreover, by empowering vulnerable individuals economically, the scheme contributes indirectly to improve health outcomes, educational access for dependent, and overall community stability. The government focus on inclusive welfare through this pension enhancement, aligning with its version of ensuring that no citizen is left behind. Continue monitoring timely disbursement and periodic revision to the pension amount in line with inflation will crucial to sustaining the impact of the scheme. Last but not the least, the increases in a social security pension to 1,100 per month under the state's welfare scheme in a progressive and humane step towards ensuring social justice. It demonstrates the government dedications to protecting its most vulnerable citizens and promoting equitable development through transparent and technology-driven governments. This measure not only uplifts lives but also strengthens public trust in the state's social welfare system.